Hello guys and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Newly evicted BBNaija Lockdown housemate Kiddwaya has revealed his true feelings about Nengi. The reality TV star told Ebuka on stage that he is not attracted to Nengi. He also said he feels safer around Erica and would like to keep her in his life.
We dance together, we drink together. That's all it's ever been. And people's paranoia has made it seem like me and her had something. And it was never the case. Like, I was always supposed to be a couple times asking me, yo, what's going on with you and Nengi? I said, bro, it's nothing like that. Like, me and her don't have any sort of... I don't know how she feels about me. I don't know. But from my point of view, there's no physical or sexual attraction to Nengi at all. She's just cool. Do you know what I'm saying? That's all. What about Erica?
In his words, he said, Nengi, I'm not attracted to her at all. We vibe and drink together. We have a conversation, we dance together, that's all it has ever been. People's paranoia has made it seem like me and her had something and it was never the case. I don't know how she feels about me, but from my point of view, there is no physical or sexual attraction to Nengi at all. We are just cool. With Erica, she is more than a friend. When I'm around her, I feel safe. I don't know what it is yet, but I know I want to keep her in my life. So guys, you've heard it all from Kiddwaya. He has clarified the issues surrounding his relationship with Nengi. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know in the comment section below.